Alright guys, today we are talking about pronouns. And so pronouns are a type of word, and we're going to talk about what they are and exactly how we use them in a sentence. So at the very beginning of that word, we have that phrase pro, and so that is going to be part of it. When I think of pro, I think of like they're just like super good at something. Then the second part we have there is that word nouns, and nouns are people, places, and things, and we know all about nouns already. So these professional nouns, they take over for nouns when a noun does not need to be used. So they are going to hop into that person, place, or thing, place, and you guys will see today how they can take over for a noun. We're just going to do a quick introduction, and then we'll practice with our pronouns as we continue. So a pronoun, like I said, takes the place of a noun, and we use it instead of using a noun. So for example, if we have Miss Collinson, we could take Miss Collinson out of the sentence and we could use she, and that she would take the place of Miss Collinson. Miss Collinson is a noun, it's a person. We could take that out and put she. If we have the noun dog, we could take that term dog out. We could put it, because it is a pronoun that replaces a noun. Now let's go down here. We have a couple of examples of our pronouns. So Maria, she's a girl. So she, right there, she is our noun. And when we put she in place of her, that's our pronoun for Maria. Maria was lost. She didn't panic. So then we down below, she checked her flashlight. It still worked. Flashlight is my noun. It is my pronoun. So just like that, it's finding that right word to take the place of our noun when we don't want to keep saying that same noun over and over again. So we're going to keep practicing with these as we continue the lesson today.